Hi, my name's Ben Seal from CR Real Estate, and today we are outside this fantastic 3-bedroom property on Robin Hood Lane in Walderslade. Sorry Jack, give me a second please. Ben Seal from CR Real Estate, how can I help?
Yeah, hi, my name's Sam and I'm looking for a property and I wondered if you could maybe help.
Yes.
It's got to be in Walderslade, it needs to be close to the Tunbury School, I need good motorway access, I need to walk to the shops, and it has to have off-road parking.
Okay, Sam, first of all, thank you very much for calling, and I do think I have the perfect property for you. Tell me a little bit more about what you want on the inside.
Okay, so it's got to have a downstairs toilet for the little ones. We got the toilet training. I need a nice modern kitchen, preferably with built-in appliances if possible.
Okay. Sounds good. And what about the living room area?
So I just need a nice spacious reception room really. Ideally somewhere that we can eat and watch the TV.
Excellent. So would this be a family home for you?
Absolutely, yeah. We've got 2 children and 1 on the way.
Excellent. So you need plenty of space in that front room area.
Absolutely.
Perfect. So how many bedrooms exactly are you looking for?
Okay, so it's got to be 3, but I'd need 3 double bedrooms.
Okay.
The kids need their space, but the master has got to have an ensuite.
Okay, excellent. Sounds good.
Also need a nice sized family bathroom with a bath, because of the kids, they need to go in the bath. And preferably modern, preferably nice and modern.
Okay, this sounds good.
So my eldest is going to secondary school in September, and so he's going to need his own space. He needs a bolt hole that he can keep himself to himself and somewhere he can study. He's also got loads of stuff, so I need lots of storage.
Okay, so we're ticking quite a few boxes here. And what do you need from the outdoor living space?
Okay, so a bit of grass, somewhere to have a barbie, and a bit of sun would be lovely.
So a south-facing garden would be perfect for you then?
Absolutely.
So did you say that you needed off-street parking?
Yeah, it's an absolute must, and somewhere for the visitors to park as well would be ideal.
I think I've got the perfect property for you. Let's get you booked in for a viewing. When are you free?